the sun's out. No, I hope everybody was safe last week, no, and dry. And siguro I'll probably start. No, I won't read, pero I want to start by giving everybody a bit of history. Yeah, I like giving histories, no? Kasi nakita ko nakasulat Gen 10. Gen 10. And what does that mean? It's the 10th iteration of Lenovo, Yoga, and Legion. And normally naman, it's one iteration a year. So you can count, it's the last 10 years, no? So imagine the Yoga when it was first launched, the Legion when it was first launched into this market 10 years ago. No? And imagine where it is today. No? Well loved. It has actually been used by a lot of not only gamers, no, enthusiasts, content creators, and many more. It is not even just a consumer laptop. It has been widely used by a lot of our corporate customers, especially mga heavy graphic users. Another history, 10 years ago when I think we launched Yoga. It was actually the very first twist na laptop, meaning nagfo-fold, no? It was the very first twisting laptop in the world. So it has actually come a long way. And I think the Gen 10 is very special kasi I understand that it comes with a lot of AI-driven features, right? So we all know, I think most of you have been talking about AI the last 1 to 2 years. No? In fact, we are in this decade of AI. Everything that we do has something to do with AI. Even in Lenovo, we're not just making laptops that is AI ready or AI powered. No? Within Lenovo, we have also evolved as what everybody calls us, no? Lenovo, smarter technology for all. That's our slogan for so many years now. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're not just selling AI-powered laptops, but we're also in the business of AI. When I say in the business of AI, you can call Lenovo probably as an AI provider. AI solutions provider. So we're in that business today. So I will not, of course, spoil the excitement. Once again, I would like to thank all of you, media friends, for being here with us again. 10 years of Yoga and Legion. You were here with us 10 years ago. Thank you for being with us again after 10 years, and you're still here. Thank you.